Here we have this BMW 330d XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle does come with over £12,000 worth of optional extras included. We do have your alloy wheels. They are the 19-inch and are in gloss black. We have your LED headlights with your black front kidney grills. We do have the front splitter fitted to this vehicle. Now it is the KSB front splitter. It does make the front of this car really stand out. We have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind those lovely 19-inch alloy wheels. Full blacked out styling on this vehicle, so with the black wheels, the black paintwork. We have your tinted rear windows and also your tinted rear lights. Front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera fitted to this vehicle. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Taking a quick look into the rear of the car, you do have your full leather seats throughout the ISOFIX points, integrated Harman Kardon speakers, electric windows in the back. Coming to the front, you can see we do have a multi-function steering wheel with adaptive cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side, paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. There's a look at the driver's front seat. Now driver and passenger are fully heated electric, and the driver is also memory, electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, integrated Harman Kardon speakers, auto lights, lane keeping assist just down there. Taking a look inside the vehicle, you can see the vehicle is free from any worn lights on the dashboard, and it's just covered just under 96,000 miles. You have your blue pinstriping, blue stitching, blue accents on the steering wheel. Keyless start, auto high beam assist, screen and the sensor is the ProNav. You have your satellite navigation, Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. You do also have your front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. The beeping is just because I got a show place on, so nothing to worry about. Going back off that, you do get to your different drive modes. So you do get to your Comfort, Eco, Comfort, Sports, and also Sports Plus. Dual zone climate control works how you'd expect it to. Two heated front seats working how you'd expect it to. Storage is down here, more storage, 12-volt connectivity. Track control on off, different drive mode, parking sensors. Gear stick, push gear stick to the left goes into manual and sport mode. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armor, which moves forwards and back to suit your driving position. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat with the extended thigh support. Now the passenger is also electrically adjustable from the side. Now this vehicle is available to take away today for free, contacts nationwide next day delivery. HPI Clear comes with fresh service, new MBT, and we offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.